Hello, dear students. Welcome to Scholarsight NEET UG preparation. I am Ayushi Sharma, your mentor for chemistry and your mentor throughout your journey of this exam preparation. Let me give you a brief introduction about myself as we are going to stay connected for a really longer period of time and we are going to learn a lot many things that are going to help you clear this prestigious examination. So let me give you a brief introduction. I am Ayushi and I have mentored more than 5,000 plus students like you who aspire to get into their dream colleges of engineering and medical through examinations like IIT JEE, NEET, apart from that GATE, IIT JAM, CSIR NET, and now the currently emerging one CUET. Talking about my educational background, I have done my class 12th from Delhi Public School, Ghaziabad with 91% in PCM, after which I went for my graduation in chemistry from University of Delhi, after which I gave all India entrance of master's examination for from Delhi University itself and I secured an AIR of 31 and completed my master's in chemistry itself from University of Delhi Miranda House with specialization in your favorite organic chemistry. Apart from that, I have also qualified IIT JAM examination and GATE Chemical Sciences. Talking about my current working profile, yes, I have been mentoring people like you who wish to get through these examinations, and also I have been working continuously on YouTube on various online platforms, and I think. Talking about AIRs, I have more than 7 AIRs in IIT JAM chemistry, and with students like you, I think the journey and the number is going to increase exponentially. So let us move ahead and make this course a really success and fun for all of you to learn so many new things with us in this very interesting subject that is chemistry and to be more precise, organic chemistry. Thank you, students.